Currently there are a few different transparent display technologies and each of them is suitable for a different set of applications. These include organic transparent displays, reflecting displays, as well as fluorescent displays. And what we were trying to achieve is something that's particularly simple to implement and that's fairly cheap and scalable.
So typically you either project images onto a white piece of wall, which does the purpose because it scatters light, but it is not transparent. Light cannot go through. Or you have a piece of glass where light goes through, but you cannot project any images onto it. So if we can actually project images onto glasses, then it will enable much more opportunities. For example, you can now project onto the window of a store so that it can display information of the products inside, or you can project images onto an office window or on the windows of, say, a subway train.
So the way that we went to implement this is we embedded resonant nanoparticles into a polymer, so you can think of it as a plastic foil. And these nanoparticles are implemented such that they reflect only certain particular colors. In our case, for the one that we demonstrated, it was blue color. So it will strongly reflect that particular color, but all the other colors will go through.
Therefore, our transparent screen is simply a sheet of transparent plastic with some nanoparticles in it. And you can take this sheet of plastic and then put it onto a glass. Then this glass will now still be transparent, but you will be able to project images onto it. For the future, we plan to make the screen even more transparent for the colors that we do not target. And then also we plan to extend this method so that it can display multiple colors, specifically red, green, and blue, so that it will be able to show a full color image. Since this is a relatively simple method and it is really cheap to actually make these plastic foils that display, we can envision that in the future people will just go to convenience stores to buy this piece of plastic, go home and just put it onto their windows or wherever they want to project images. And then they will be able to turn that transparent glass into something that's useful that can display.